Hey VN gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be start to finish styling on this unit that I got from Asteria Hair. And girl, like when I tell you this was probably one of the easiest installs, like girl, it was so fast. I literally did something that I never do, and I styled the wig straight from the packaging. Like they did such a good job with the plucking and customization that I felt like I could just put this wig on and go. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna give you all the information about this unit, but if you want to see how I got this look, girl, I ain't got no baby hairs. Like look how natural that hairline is. Like, are you kidding me? I did no plucking, no customization whatsoever. So I'm really impressed with this unit. If y'all want to see the start to finish styling, definitely stay tuned. Let's get straight into the unboxing. Today's unit is from Asteria Hair, and it comes in this tail box. Inside is a bunch of goodies. You will get a royal green satin satchel. You will also get an HD wig cap, which is new, some 3D mink eyelashes, as well as a melting band and a baby hairbrush. Also, you will get the unit, which is a 13x4 straight HD lace front wig in 22 inches. It is 180% density. The hairline comes pre-plucked, bleached knots. They're lightly bleached. The hair looks so pretty, so soft. There was no tangling. I'm showing you the ends, which aren't as thick, but it still looks good. All right, and I'm running my fingers through the hair. All right, so let's look at the hairline and the cap construction. On the inside, you can see that the knots are bleached, but it's really light. There are 3 combs, adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable grip band. So yeah, you have everything you need with this unit. So I already adjusted the straps on the inside, as well as added my foundation to the lace because I wanted it to match, like, you know, exactly with my skin complexion. It came out good. You can see my face, like what? All I had to do was cut the ear tabs off this unit. It literally melted into my scalp. Okay, it was giving scalp. So yeah, this wig is big head friendly for sure. So now I'm just going to take my spray, which is the Got To Be glue spray. I'm gonna spray the hairline, and then I'm gonna blow dry it on a hot heat. I'm gonna take that tail comb, and I'm just going to press into the lace just to further like get it to stick. And then when I am finished just blow drying the whole entire front and it feels a little sticky and tacky, that's when I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna add my melting band. All right, so you just repeat your steps until you know, it's time to add the melting band. After I add the melting band, I leave it for like 10 minutes. But since we have to wait anyway, I'm just going to take my wax stick and a little bit of that same Got To Be glue spray, and I'm going to spray the top and with the wax stick on the top. And I'm going to just, you know, hot comb it, and I'm going to flat iron the hair out just a little bit, just those little folds that I see. The hair was basically already straight, so I just wanted to, you know, just come in and just fix anything that I felt was like looking a little lumpy. And I did not like do it precisely. It was like the quickest flat iron I've ever done. So yeah, it wasn't a lot of work at all. So I took the melting band off, and as you can see, it looks good, but it still looks a little lumpy at the top. So I'm just flat ironing that out and hot combing it, doing whatever I needed to do to stay down. But that is pretty much it for all of the styling. I didn't add any baby hair, and these are my results. this is my finished look, and girl, like, are y'all kidding me? I love this unit. I love this unit for so many different reasons. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the hairline and how they plucked it to perfection, how they bleached it, they did everything. They took the work all out of it. Like, when I put the unit on my head and it literally melted into my scalp, and I didn't even use the Got to Be Glued spray yet, I was just like floored. Like, I was just like, my mouth dropped. Like, it just blended in so beautifully. So I cut the ear tabs because I wanted to customize it to, you know, the size of my head. So this is a medium cap size. You can get different cap sizes. Okay, this is a medium cap size, which I already knew would be too big for me. However, I like to get my caps either medium or big, even though my head is a small. Okay, so I didn't even put the adjustable straps on. I just adjusted the band, and it just did everything. So this unit is from Asteria Hair. This is their straight 13x4 lace front wig, and it is in 180% density, and it is only 22 inches. And for it to be 22 inches, it is long. Okay, it is long. It comes all the way down to like my navel in the front, and y'all saw the back. It comes all the way down to like the middle kind of my butt. So yeah, it's really long. 180% density is very natural, so this is a natural looking unit, and I thought it would go with, like, you know, the hairline. The hairline is just so natural, and I did no plucking, and this hair feels so, it feels so good. Like, girl, I didn't even, you saw I was going to flat iron my whole entire head, but once I just went down with one piece, I said I don't even have to make small like pieces. I usually really flat iron my hair, but I just did big chunks. I really didn't have to do any work with this unit. So yeah, they did their thing with this one. Like, I didn't even add baby hair, like nothing. Like, it just melted, and I think it looks so natural and so pretty. This is great for the spring and the summer, because, you know, it just be too hot for too much baby hair and stuff sometimes. So this is perfect. I would definitely recommend this unit. I was going to give this unit a rating, girl, 10 out of 10. Definitely would recommend. Like, I'm so happy with this unit. Like, definitely one of the top units I've received. So yeah, I would definitely say go get it. I'm gonna have all the links down in the bottom bar for you, just in case you want to check it out. Thank you, Asteria Hair. Yeah, y'all see me. I haven't had straight hair in a long time, so like, I'm trying to get used to it, but I love the way this looks. Like, it looks just so pretty. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, if y'all have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comments, and I will get back to you. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.